Are you using Ozempic for weight loss and wondering which foods can help you see results faster and safely? Today, I'll share the top foods that work with Ozempic, not against it, to speed up fat loss, boost energy, and keep you feeling great. Stay till the end, because I'll also tell you what not to eat when you're on Ozempic. Ozempic, or semaglutide, works by mimicking a natural hormone called GLP-1, which slows down digestion and reduces appetite. That means you feel full for longer and naturally eat less. But here's the catch. If you eat the wrong foods, Ozempic can cause nausea, bloating, or slow your progress. So choosing the right foods is key to maximizing results. 1. High-protein foods. Protein helps preserve muscle mass while you lose fat. It also keeps you full longer. Chicken breast, turkey eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, lentils. Tip: have 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. 2. Healthy fats. Healthy fats keep your hormones balanced and digestion smooth. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, salmon, chia seeds. Avoid fried or processed fats. 3. High-fiber veggies. Ozempic slows digestion, so fiber helps prevent constipation. Leafy greens, broccoli, carrots, zucchini, cauliflower. Try half your plate as vegetables each meal. 4. Low glycemic carbs. Slow digesting carbs give you energy without blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes, quinoa, oats, berries, apples. Avoid white bread, pastries, and soda. 5. Hydration and electrolytes. Ozempic can make you dehydrated. Water helps curb appetite and flush toxins. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Include electrolyte drinks if you feel weak. 6. Meal timing. Eat smaller, frequent meals to avoid nausea. Don't skip breakfast, a high protein. Breakfast helps control cravings all day. To prevent side effects and sluggishness, stay away from greasy and fried foods. They increase nausea. Sugary snacks and drinks. They counter Ozempic's blood sugar control. Alcohol. It can cause low blood sugar and dehydration. Large, heavy meals. They can cause stomach discomfort. Here's a quick sample meal plan you can try. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with berries plus chia seeds. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing. Snack: handful of almonds plus green tea. Dinner: salmon, quinoa, and roasted broccoli. Drink: water with lemon throughout the day. Stay consistent with your injections. Walk at least 30 minutes daily. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Avoid emotional eating. Let Ozempic work naturally. Ozempic isn't a magic shot, but when paired with the right food, it becomes a powerful tool for long-term weight loss. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone on the same journey. Let's get healthy together. Eat smart, stay consistent, feel great.